Hey guys, Emily, welcome back to my really messy room. You see what I did there? Well, today, as you can tell, my room is literally disgusting. Not even gonna lie, I agree. If you're like, you're a disgusting human, yeah, you're right. So what we're gonna be doing today is a clean with me video, because I thought if I'm gonna clean my room, might as well get a video out of it, you know? So we're just gonna get started with this. I've seen a couple of these videos, but mine's probably gonna be different, so yeah, let's just get started cleaning. I'm probably gonna start on this side of my room because it's like the least messy and the least overwhelming. Let's clean. Ew. Oh, wow. Ew. Wow. It's bad. I literally had to move my fish over here because it was that bad. So we're just gonna take all these little gross little. I'm gonna try and make this funny, but as we all know, I'm not funny, so. I'm trying to figure out how to even organize this. This is my drink, so I need to like, I guess put it over here with my other drinks. This is why my room is messy. I'm kind of embarrassed. I need to figure out how to, I'm trying to figure out this. We're gonna play another song. My box playlist is on my Spotify. Make sure to go follow me. Honestly, I make some dope playlists, and honestly it offends me that no one follows me, so. I've always been the kind of girl that hid my face. So afraid to tell the world what I've got to say. It's real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. You're the voice I hear inside my head. The reason that I'm singing, need to find you. I gotta find you. The peace I need, the song inside of me. This is me here inside my head. The reason that I'm singing. Honestly, okay, unpopular opinion, might be popular. I don't know, never heard it. Camp Rock over High School Musical. Okay, story time. Okay, so this song, when I was like probably 11, or whenever this came out, whenever it was like a song. I mean, it's still a song, but you know what I mean. I made a music video of me singing to it. If you didn't know, I can't sing. I don't know if you've gotten that message by now because I've been singing, but I made a legit music video of me doing a cover to this. Sorry, I'm like not even pasting. I'm trying to clean, okay? It's what this video is, excuse you. And I made a music video to this, and legit, it says like, living inside the box or whatever. I legit got in a brown box, like one of those cardboard boxes, and I got in it and I jumped out for one of the clips. If that isn't artistry, I don't honestly know what is. Are you kidding me? That's so good. Like, who would have thought of that? Honestly, anyone who's probably watching this video, like this is like one of my first videos, they're probably like, what the heck is going on? Like, who is this girl? Why does she freaking have a Peppa Pig on her dresser and a freaking thumb? Like, I honestly don't know how to explain it. Oh, that just fell behind there. Cute. I need to like go through what's inside. I might do that right now. Okay, I have this poppy pen. I have to keep it. I don't know. Look at this. Why would you get rid of this? There, so I have some sunglasses. I have some broken sunglasses. Ooh, this is one shiny quarter. Connecticut. Any Connecticuters out there? Okay, so this is my Wii. Why do I have it? Good question. There's no TV here. We have moved on to part 2. This is the part of my room that depresses me, okay? Okay, so I even have things in the drawers. Like, that's how bad it got. This needs to be thrown away. This is a Paula Deen lip balm. The lip balm honestly sucks, but what are you gonna do? It's peach cobbler flavored. Like, excuse you. I hope you're cleaning with me, because that's what this video is. So, if you're not cleaning with me, this is a slime that kind of sucks. It's like off. It's like not good. Like, look. Excuse me. Oh, I smell it. Ew. This is my little makeup area. You can't see it. It's right here. I'm sorry you had to witness that. That was probably so awkward. So if you didn't think that top was messy, here you go. We're about to get on the floor. Welcome to this part of my room. It's okay, you can unsubscribe. Like I would too. Like whoever is like in college next year, whoever my dorm person is, I'm sorry. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Right now my bed doesn't even have a sheet on. Okay, listen, I have been unmotivated, okay? That's why this is like this. So please don't come at me. Oh, they sent me this. Oh my god, listen to this. Conservative conferences for your son or daughter. I'm not conservative. I'm just grabbing stuff from under my bed. I don't think we're gonna venture into there yet because I'm already kind of embarrassed of this. So maybe another day. Honestly, I used to really like these. Like, I used to like use them all the time. They're not bad. They're not bad for $1 at all. Go to your local Dollar Tree and pick these up. Not a care in the world. Got plenty of Kool-Aid. Wasn't that the clean version? I feel like that was. We're done. It's time for a song. Team Snapchat. Snapchat me. Thank you so much for that Snapchat. No one ever Snapchats me. I love you, boyfriend. I sent it to them. Welcome to my bed. So let's move on to the next part of my room. Okay, so now we're in my makeup area, which needs cleaned. Everyone's makeup table looks like this though, so you can't judge me too hard. I keep my brushes in this little cutie thingy. So now I just need to get everything on my floor that I threw in the middle to like either put in the dirty clothes or stuff like that, and I think we'll be done, and I'll show you the end result, you know, and you're probably gonna be mesmerized because I'm a good freaking cleaner, okay? Ooh, she's clean. She clean. Wow. Okay, listen, here's the dealio. My room is really small and therefore it does not have a lot of storage space, so this is clean. So guys, that was my video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure it gives you a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe down below for videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, let me know down below if I should do more videos kind of like this. It was literally just me cleaning and singing throwback songs, but maybe you enjoyed it. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video.